All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018. That's right, folks, this is a 2018 Ford Fusion. It is the titanium all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful silver with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, alloy wheels, sunroof, heated seats, backup camera, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, only 10,000 miles on this vehicle. Looks fresh. Front bumper looks good, front hood looks good, front fender looks pretty damn nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. Your tire tread is just at the line of 7/32. This door looks good, this rear door looks good, and this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire tread is over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. That's what your sunroof looks like. You got power windows, power door locks, memory seating, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. The holes, the tears, the rips, looks good. There's a powered seat. Let me jump in here. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. Does come with two key fob combos. An owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all that, all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Boom. You got your heated seats. Steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues in your mileage of 10,551. Looks good. Does need some gas, but that we'll put on. We'll get on. It's not a real light. And here's your sunroof. A look at your sunroof on the inside. Looks good. Rear passenger seat in the holes, the tails and rips, does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and such. Looks good. Quarter does have a dent here with some paint off. Less than an inch, but it is there. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Looks good. Tire tread over 7/32. This door looks good. From the other side of the rear passenger seat, the holes, the tears and rips, does have rear AC vents. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. So this one, it is a powered seat as well. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, very nice. Does have some curbing, very minimum, about 3 to 4 inches right there. Your tire tread here is also just at the line, 7/32. Lights are working, fog lights are on. Looks beautiful, folks. Once again, the 2018 Ford Fusion titanium all-wheel drive model with only 10,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.